Registration of non-conformance in simpliRP is very easy. Please note, NC-CEPA module is additional chargeable module. Please go to non-conformance registration page. Select whether it is internal or customer or supplier NC. Here you will register a customer NC. Please enter the item details. Select the sales order number. After entering the NC details, please enter corrective action to be taken. Who is responsible for corrective action and its target date? You can enter multiple corrective actions. Once done, please save.
Please feel free to contact us to know about more features. Thank you.